Hey guys, good morning! Welcome to my very first vlog. Waking up early and starting a brand new day. Honestly, if you don't start the morning feeling fresh, the whole day just feels kind of lazy and sluggish, you know? First thing I do right after waking up, making my bed. I truly believe that a clean room equals a clear mind. It just sets the right vibe for the day, right?
Home again, the day is done. Settling down with my loved ones. Just living.
Let's get ready and hit the road. I decided I'd hit up the market this morning. Got the bike out, and honestly, today's gonna be a pretty special day because I'm planning to do some cooking later. There's seriously nothing like the feeling of hitting the road on a bike. Getting out early in the morning just gives this whole new wave of energy. All right, we're at the market getting some fresh meat and fish. The butcher is hooking it up with some clean cuts right now. Today's menu is going to be really special, so I was super picky about getting the perfect piece of meat. First things first, now that we're back home, gotta wash the meat and get it completely clean. Honestly, the most important part of any recipe is starting with a clean kitchen and clean ingredients. Look at that! Getting all the spices mixed in nicely to marinate the chicken. The aroma right now is already insane. Got that chicken frying up, getting it ready for the chili chicken. Now for the best part, sauteing the onions and capsicum with the spices. Seriously, this looks incredible. I'm already starving. Time to serve it up. Check out this fresh, steaming fried rice right next to the chili chicken. Taking the first bite with my mom, honestly, food just hits different when you cook it with your own hands. Going out for a quick evening run to grab some fresh vegetables. Everything here looks so crisp and fresh. This is our go-to spot for groceries, mostly because the prices are insanely cheap. Also took a quick peek inside the bakery and sweet shop while I was out. Once I got back home, I laid out all the fresh veggies on the floor to unpack everything. After a long, busy day, it's finally time to unwind. Just crashing on the couch with a bowl of food and a cold beer. I had a little trouble opening the bottle at first, but man, that first sip feels amazing. Let me know what you guys thought of my very first vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you enjoyed this raw look into my day, please hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments where you are watching from.